you want to tell the camera what you're doing?
I am making a project called Fluttering Butterflies, and it starts with this paper, and then we do tape, and then we look at it, and then it looks pretty. Looks pretty. And now I'm looking at it. See, Tama? See it?
That looks awesome. How'd you think of that idea?
I think of it by myself.
Which are the butterfly's wings?
Well, this isn't a butterfly. This is a project of a butterfly in the trees, and these are the wings, and then this is the little beak, and then that's all the butterfly does. But I haven't done all of it yet, but I'm going to.
Cool.
Can I watch my video?